Hello friends, today I'm going to show you what to do if you got a message on your dash that no restart available and you cannot turn on your car. I just cleared my, so you cannot see any on my dash, but I'm going to show you what to do in that. I'm using this tool Kingbolin K7. So just using that one, just hit the scan button, auto search, it will read your VIN number, just press yes and select special functions, and in that special function look for powertrain option, powertrain, and in that you need to find powertrain reset, powertrain reset selective catalyst reduction start inhibit, or powertrain reset selective catalyst reduction quality monitor. I think if you do that it will clear everything, or you need to clear these first and then you can go to the second option directly, select selective catalyst reduction quality monitor, just press OK and just follow the steps, press OK. I've done it so I can't show you, but if you just press OK and it will reset everything on your dash as well, and you can turn on your car back. So that's it. Thank you.